Hello people, this is Avnish Tiwari, faculty St. Peter's Law Academy, Delhi. I welcome all of you in this St. Peter's arena. Today, I have brought a very special and unique video for those aspirants who are going for Bihar APO Mains Examination 2022. So, the main thing I want to discuss, the main thing I want to talk about is the issue of handling the mental pressure in this examination. So the first thing what comes to our mind, that what are the different sources from where the pressure is coming to the minds of the aspirants, and once we are able to identify those sources, we can successfully avoid all kinds of pressure from our mind, and once we are pressure free, we will perform well in the examination. So I'll try to say something. I want to give a simple message regarding that tackling. So we are going to have some message regarding the tackling of the pressure, handling of the pressure just before the examination and also during the examination. So we all know that that mains examination is going to commence on 12th of this this month, and this examination will go for 4 days. So how we are going to tackle, to handle the pressure, this video is fully dedicated to that. But let's try to understand the whole dispensation. What exactly I am trying to convey is going to be expressed in one acronym. I have made this acronym for you, and this acronym is like ECO. E stands for expectation, C stands for comparison, and O stands for outcome. So these three words, expectation, comparison and outcome, these three things are going to give you a very tough time at your mental level. And how, I will tell you, because we have to avoid these three things from our mental framework, from our psyche. So what is this expectation? You are going to write the examination, but there are so many people in your life, like your parents, your brother or brothers and sisters and other family members, and sometimes some of your good friends also. Means all those well-wishers who are thinking very positive for you, but at the same time they are expecting something very high of you. Means they are expecting that this time you are going to crack this examination. So this kind of expectation is there. But when you think about that expectation of other people, you feel pressurized, means you feel that no, I have to perform very well, and you start thinking. So you don't have to panic, you don't have to freak about those expectations. Those expectations are good things, but avoid those expectations. You don't have to think about those factors right now, because this coming week is going to decide your fate in this examination. So you have to keep yourself away from that factor. Means you don't have to think. You know that people are expecting a very positive outcome from you in this examination, but you don't have to think about it right now. Just avoid it. So this expectation factor is there. It may create some kind of pressure on your mind. So try to avoid that thinking, And this comparison, I know by this time, अभी तक आप सभी लोगों ने अच्छा प्रिपरेशन किया हुआ है और आपकी तैयारियां बहुत अच्छी है, आई नो दैट. लेकिन क्या वो तैयारियां अपने आप में सफिशिएंट हैं, या उसके अलावा इन एडिशन टू दैट वी नीड टू डू समथिंग एल्स ऑल्सो, उसके अलावा कुछ और करने की आवश्यकता है क्या? तो मुझे लगता है कि आवश्यकता है, और वो आवश्यकता क्या है? व्हाट इज़ दैट नीड? अगेन दैट हैंडलिंग ऑफ द प्रेशर. हमें ज़रूरत है कि हम लोग अपने मेंटल फ्रेमवर्क को इस तरीके से ढाल दें इस तरीके से उसकी कंडीशनिंग कर दें कि हमारे दिमाग में कोई एक्स्ट्रा प्रेशर क्रिएट ही ना हो, ठीक है। तो वो कैसे कर सकते हैं हम लोग? समटाइम्स when you compare your own preparation with the preparation of the other aspirant or other aspirants, then you feel that okay, my preparation is not up to the mark, my preparation is not at par with other people's preparation, so that kind of comparison may create a kind of upheaval, a kind of pressure in your mind. So don't try to compare your own preparation with anybody else's preparation. You have to avoid this second thing, means the comparison. And the third thing is that outcome. Even before going into the examination hall and even before writing the mains examination, you start thinking about the result, the outcome of the examination. So you have to avoid this thinking also. You don't have to go in this thought process which allows you to think about the result of this examination. आपको अपना कर्म करना है. You have to perform your duty. You have to do your own work in the examination, but at the same time you don't have to think about the outcome or the result of the examination. तो आपको आउटकम के बारे में नहीं सोचना है, आपको अपने परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में सोचना है कि मुझे इन 4 दिनों में अपना बेस्ट कैसे देना है, ठीक है। आपको केवल इसी बात को फोकस करके अपनी एक्टिविटीज़ को एडजस्ट करना है अभी। तो यू हैव टू अवॉइड टू थिंक अबाउट दोज एक्सपेक्टेशंस, यू हैव टू अवॉइड दैट थॉट of comparison of your own preparation with preparation of other people, and you have to stop thinking about the outcome of your examination. So once you are successful in avoiding these things, you will feel that there is a mental calmness, a mental peace, a mental contentment, and in that position if you start to revise your own preparation, you will realize that your productivity has gone very high. जब आप प्रेशर मुक्त होते हो, जब आप प्रेशर से बिल्कुल फ्री होते हो, तो आपका परफॉर्मेंस नेक्स्ट लेवल पे होता है, आपका परफॉर्मेंस बहुत बढ़िया होता है। तो अभी तक इस पॉइंट तक आपने इन 3 चीज़ों को अवॉइड करना सीख लिया है। आपको कंपैरिजन नहीं करना है, आपको अपने रिजल्ट के बारे में नहीं सोचना है, और दूसरे क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं आपके बारे में या आपसे, उनके बारे में नहीं सोचना है। जब आप इन प्रेशर से आप फ्री हो गए हैं, then you will be able to revise your own things. अब अपने सब्जेक्ट्स के ऊपर आ जाइए और आपको अपना रिवीजन स्मार्टली बहुत कम टाइम में फिनिश करना होगा। और उसके लिए क्या करेंगे आप लोग, जो भी टॉपिक्स उठाते हैं आप, उन टॉपिक्स के मेन पॉइंट्स को उठाना है और पूरे कंटेंट को अभी नहीं पढ़ना है। जो हाईलाइटेड पॉइंट्स होते हैं ना, पॉइंटर्स होते हैं, केवल उन पॉइंटर्स को मेमोराइज करने की आप कोशिश करें। ट्राई टू मेमोराइज द मेन पॉइंट्स of every topic, and if you need that, you need to go through certain case laws, then you can collect some case laws also. Means you know how to prepare your subjects. I am not going into that part of your preparation. I am telling you simply that how you will be able to revise your preparation in this quick time period. तो आपको अभी तक मैंने प्रेशर से मुक्त करवा दिया है, फ्री करवा दिया है, और आप इस पोजीशन में हैं कि अपना रिवीजन बहुत फास्ट तरीके से आप कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। केवल उन पॉइंट्स को आप याद रखने की कोशिश करो, ताकि वो पॉइंट्स याद रहेंगे तो अपने आप कॉन्सेप्ट वहाँ पे आ जाएगा, ठीक है। एंड जैसे ही आपको महसूस होता है कि यस देयर इज़ नो प्रेशर इन माय माइंड, तो उस वक्त आप फील करोगे कि देयर इज़ अ मेंटल कूलनेस, कामनेस और कंटेंटमेंट, and being in that position, writing the examination becomes very easy. It becomes very enjoyable. So try to enjoy writing your examination. Don't let any pressure to mount your mind. So by doing all these things and by conditioning your mind in this direction, I am sure that you will be able to perform very well in your examination, and I am sure you all will emerge victorious in this examination, right? So this is the message from my side. Thank you so much. Please watch this video time and again, and try to get benefits from this video. And we have got so many videos lined up regarding so many other issues. So please like, subscribe, and try to share the content from this channel of St. Peter's Law Academy, and keep doing that. Thank you so much.